In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum with PayPal. PayPal has recently started allowing users to purchase cryptocurrencies from within the PayPal app itself. And so we're going to be buying some ourselves in this video and explaining everything that you need to know. Welcome to CryptoSpeak. I'm Josh. Let's get straight into the tutorial. Who can purchase? Cryptocurrency purchases are only available for personal accounts, not business accounts. You can purchase cryptocurrency on PayPal if you're in the US, UK, and the EU. But I could not find any details on whether Asia or the rest of the world can. I do know that PayPal plans to take this service global, so keep an eye out. What can you purchase? At the moment, only 4 cryptocurrencies can be purchased, which are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. PayPal has stated that they plan to add more cryptocurrencies in the future. How to purchase? Sign into your personal PayPal account. Again, this feature is not available for business accounts. Head over to the new Crypto tab on the top menu bar. If you do not see this option in your top menu, then double check to make sure you're on a personal account. And if you are, and you still can't see it, then I'm sorry to say that this feature might not be available in your country yet. You'll be taken to the crypto dashboard, where you can see the 4 available cryptocurrencies for purchase. Click on Bitcoin. Here, you can see the current value of 1 Bitcoin, as well as the price history chart here. This is great because you can see how much the value of Bitcoin has changed over time. When you click Buy, you'll be asked to confirm some information. You'll need to declare whether or not you are a US taxpayer. And if you are, you'll be asked for your tax identification details. And if you're not, then you'll get to skip ahead to the next step. After that, you'll be presented with a few statements about crypto, which you'll need to read and acknowledge. So, of course, as you must know, crypto is volatile. The value can go up, which is what we all want, but it can equally go down and you can lose money. Luckily, PayPal allows you to buy fractions of cryptocurrencies. So if you're just getting started, you can try buying some Bitcoin with a small amount. You should bear in mind that profits from crypto sales can be taxable depending on your country's regulations. And finally, crypto isn't actually regulated by traditional financial markets. So be sure to click the box to confirm you understand these risks. And if you really want to be thorough, you can read the terms and conditions too. You'll then be taken back to the Bitcoin dashboard, where you can now input the amount that you want to buy. So I'm going to go with £20 for this example. You'll then be presented with your payment options. These are the options that you would have already set up within your PayPal account if you're already a regular PayPal user. You can pay by using your bank account or a debit card payment. Now, PayPal will charge you a fee whenever you purchase crypto. I won't go through all of these now, but I will put the fees on screen and you can pause the video to see how much it will be. Here, you can see how much Bitcoin you're actually buying, the current exchange rate, the price of 1 Bitcoin, the amount you're about to purchase, the transaction fee, and the total amount to pay. So I'm going to go ahead and agree and buy. And there we go. I've just purchased £20 worth of Bitcoin within PayPal itself. The process is exactly the same when purchasing other coins too, like this demonstration on screen of me buying some Ethereum. Now, if you head back over to the crypto dashboard, you will see the total balance of all your cryptocurrencies at the top, with a breakdown of the values of your holdings of each coin down below. Off to the right-hand side is a selection of helpful guides for beginners, which I'd recommend you go through if you're new to crypto. What you can do with your crypto. PayPal currently only allows users to buy, hold, and sell coins. So this means that you cannot trade one coin for another, and you cannot make purchases with the actual coins themselves. If you want to make a purchase with the coins, then you'll need to sell them first, and then make your transaction using cash. You must also be aware that you technically don't own these currencies yourself by buying on PayPal. PayPal is kind of like a managed wallet service, so they manage the Bitcoin holdings for you. This means that you cannot take your Bitcoin off of PayPal and move it into another wallet like MetaMask, or a cold storage like a Ledger Nano. But that doesn't mean that you still can't make a profit with crypto on PayPal. You can still buy cryptocurrencies when they're lower in price, and sell them when the price goes up, and cash in on the difference. This is a great way for beginners to start buying cryptocurrency without the additional risks involved. But as always, do remember that your capital is at risk and that nothing in this video constitutes financial advice. From my personal experience, I found buying crypto on PayPal to be the absolute easiest process of all of the cryptocurrency exchanges that I have ever used. I hope this video helps you get started with cryptocurrency on PayPal. If you had any problems or you've got any questions at all, do leave us a comment down below and we will respond. Leave us a like and subscribe to the channel for more CryptoSpeak. I'm Josh, I'll see you next time.